Hello and welcome to my channel, where today we're gonna do something new, which is I'm gonna review ads of different companies and basically say what they did well, what maybe they didn't do well, and exactly the type of technique that they are using to capture the attention of their leads. Hopefully this is gonna be very informative for you. And yeah, well, let's get started then. So today's video, I'm gonna talk about WebFlow. WebFlow is a SaaS that basically helps you make videos without coding. It's basically an amazing tool. They do a lot of web design and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a tool to help people who don't code to create websites. They are very, very well established, and actually they are one of my favorite companies that make advertising, because their ads are very captive and they spend a lot of time and money probably doing these type of ads. They capture the attention, and today we're gonna share with you one of their trailers about a course on how to use WebFlow. This is another thing they do, and they love because they do it. The company itself is making the courses. Like, the courses are just from the same company that has the product, which is amazing. So if you are looking on how to use WebFlow, you are probably gonna land on their website. It's very, very smart. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? So I'm gonna play.
There are 4 tools. On their own, they're dangerous. But together, it's almost too much power. What if we could learn a workflow that combines all 4 of them? What could we build?
See what they did? You are hooked directly from the start. They are like, there's 4 tools and they show you all these amazing looking,
4
like
tools.
here. Oh, this looks like a website, but we have 4 people working together. I'm curious what's going on. And then they hint at this product here with this small basically logos that barely are visible. And then we go through to see what's going on. I would love to know what's gonna happen next. So let's keep going.
What could we build? What do you think?
Yeah, it's...
What's happening?
What could we build?
Okay, that's not...
Power!
Wasn't like that. It's different voice, vocal range.
And would it kill you to say Figma or Cinema 4D or After Effects or
We
WebFlow?
do show 4 interfaces.
You didn't say it was a free course.
It's...
See what they did there? This is amazing. They take it from a joke. Like, they were serious about, oh, this is epic. Then boom, we can see the employees laughing together and having this amazing conversation of, oh, look at you being cinematic and stuff like that. And technically you feel that you are with them in the room. That's how personalized they are. That's how smart WebFlow is doing this type of... The marketing team at WebFlow, I drop my hat. They are amazing, and it keeps going. Boom. Now we know we are in the middle of it, and we know it's a free course. The tools, she named them just a few seconds ago. Cinema 4D, After Effects, Figma, and WebFlow. And most of these are free, not all of them, but still, like, you are directly hooked and you know what's going on. And yeah, let's keep going.
implied in
Wait, you didn't even say where to find it.
WebFlow University. It's a
And
free...
the word layer was misspelled every single time.
in After Effects. No, we got that.
L-A-W-Y?
Maybe it's for an attorney.
Just keep it simple.
Okay, 4 different tools.
Everything you need from design, development to launch.
It's almost like you had that written down.
I came prepared.
Figma to WebFlow.
Figma to WebFlow.
Boom. And then you have it. That's the whole ad. And this is not the only ad they did. Like they had another course maybe 2 years ago or something like that about kind of the same idea of using their tools with another tool and basically making a portfolio website, and it was a free course on their own website. So suddenly their leads, because they want to learn how to make a website, they ended up on their website, and they gonna of course use WebFlow because they are using WebFlow. So this is one of the most amazing companies that know how to use ads very, very smartly. So that's the main video that I wanted to share with you. There's another video that I would love to share with you, but we are not gonna see all together, but it's an important video because it tells you a little bit more about the philosophy of WebFlow. So here, if you can bear with me, it's called no code generation, basically, because their tool is low code or no code. You can use it if you don't know how to code.
No code to me is being able to build something without having to actually write the code. It's opened up a new set of tools, unlocking potential for anyone to start an idea.
No-code and low-code tools allow us to do real-time marketing and tell the stories that matter to people right now.
Going through all these stock sites, I just couldn't find diverse illustrations. I just felt like I wasn't being represented. Who's going to do this or who's going to release this? Why not me?
Boom. As you can see, so they hook like this one, Generation No Code Trailer. It plays on two things: the no code part, which is the most important part, I believe, in WebFlow, because that's what their tool does. But then it switches that to diversity. They accept people from different ethnicity. More women work at their company, black people work at their company, white people work at their company, and it feels more like testimony from users than a client talking. And this is something you really should do. Bring your employee to talk about his story and why he joined your company and how he envisions the tools that you provide to him and everything in between. This is gonna make your leads give you more trust. They're gonna trust you. They're gonna love being part of your company. So yeah, this is everything I wanted to show you today for WebFlow. If you love this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, ring the bell, you know, the casual. And please, if you have any other ad that you want me to look at, drop it below in the comments. Let's take a look. And please, just 3 rules: no sexualization or anything in that kind. I like to keep it light, funny, and not political as well. So yeah, that's it. Otherwise, bring your suggestion. I would love to take a look at them and yeah, make a small review, because I love smart ads. This was episode 1 of ad review. I will see you in the next episode next week on Wednesday. Have a great one. Bye.